Diagnosis according to Zhangfu organ patterns. Let's talk about kidney imbalances pathology. If the kidneys are out of balance, it will manifest with a weakening or dysfunction of one of the aspects or physiological functions that relate to the kidneys. Kidney imbalances can be reduced or simplified to two main imbalances: kidney yin deficiency and kidney yang deficiency. Kidney yin encompasses kidney jing, and kidney yang encompasses mingmen and kidney qi. Kidney jing is used to create bones, cartilage, teeth, and hair. If there is a congenital jing deficiency, the person will often have a weak bone structure, weak teeth, and thin hair. The growth and the transition to puberty, etc., are controlled by jing. Jing deficiency can be seen when there is slow development, poor growth, mental underdevelopment, and a child enters puberty late or not at all. A girl who does not start menstruating or only starts menstruating late in puberty may well be Jing deficiency. Jing also manifests in the sperm and eggs. Infertility and low sperm counts can therefore be a manifestation of Jing deficiency. The brain is a flower blossom on the spine and it is created from Jing. Jing therefore has an influence on the brain's activity and structure. Congenital problems that manifest with poor development of the mental faculties are often related to Jing deficiency. In fact, most congenital problems and genetic defects have a Jing deficient aspect. If the brain is not nourished by kidney Jing, it can cause problems with the memory, concentration, and dizziness. Kidney yin nourishes heart yin, helping to anchor the Shen. Kidney yin deficiency can therefore manifest with insomnia, as well as anxiety, mental restlessness, and a sense of unease. The kidneys have a great influence on the bones, especially in the lumbar region and the knees. The bones are created and nourished by kidney jing. Kidney yang in turn strengthens the bones and warms the lumbar and the knees. This means that weakness, soreness, and a cold sensation in the lower back and knees can be seen in kidney imbalances. Fluid physiology is dependent on the kidneys. Kidney yang is used to transform and transport fluids in the body. When there is kidney yang deficiency, the deficiency of the yang will affect these processes, resulting in edema or increased urination. The increased frequency and volume of urination that is characteristic of kidney yang deficiency is due to this failure to transform and transport fluids optimally, as well as kidney yang being used to hold urine in the urinary bladder. This means that incontinence, enuresis, and nocturia can also be a manifestation of kidney yang deficiency. Kidney yang is also the force behind the expulsion of urine out of the urinary bladder. Kidney yang deficiency can manifest with urinary difficulties, a weak stream of urine, or dribbling when urinating. The poor transformation and transport of fluid in the body when there is kidney yang deficiency will result in the untransformed fluids seeping down to the lower jiao due to their yin nature. These fluids will accumulate in the urinary bladder, increasing the amount of urine and diluting it so that it is paler in color. The urine will be darker yellow color and more scanty when there is kidney yin deficiency, because there will be less fluid in the body, making the urine more concentrated. If there is yin deficient heat, the heat will further concentrate the urine and make it even more dark and sparse. Kidney yang also affects other aspects of fluid physiology. Kidney yang is the root of Wei Qi. If kidney yang is weak or deficient, there may be problems controlling the pores in the skin. Spontaneous perspiration or sweating upon light activity can therefore be a sign of kidney yang deficiency. Kidney yin deficiency can also result in sweating disturbances. Night sweats are a classic manifestation of kidney yin deficiency because has become too weak to control heat, especially at night, when yin should be more powerful than yang. The resultant yang heat will expand upwards and outwards, driving fluids up to the surface of the skin. At night, Wei Qi circulates in the interior and therefore cannot keep the sweat inside the body. Thank you for listening.